Welcome back to the channel. This is GE Oven F2 error code fix. So guys, F2 error means the oven is getting a signal that the temperature is too high. It's often caused by a faulty temperature sensor or a stock relay on the control board. So to fix this, just simply unplug the oven and switch it off at the circuit breaker to stay safe. And after that, just simply locate the temperature sensor probe inside the oven, usually at the back wall, and just simply inspect for visible damage or loose wiring. And now you could also use a multimeter to check resistance at room temperature. It should be around 1080 ohms at 70 Fahrenheit or 21 Celsius. If it's way off, just simply replace the sensor. Now, guys, if the sensor checks out fine, the problem could be the electronic control board sending false signal. So just simply look for burnt or damaged spots and consider replacing the board if faulty. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.